even know. Like she's a sweet, scared kid who never meant anybody anything.
Okay, I got it. Start barking. I ain't got your face. I ain't got your face. I got the lamp.
She's sleeping.
Wouldn't that
Do it!
girl want to help Nicholas Newman if she could? I can't believe this place is even here.
Very retro.
Okay.
How can I say no to the